ever wondered what are the components of the water cycle or observe the water cycle by constructing a simple miniature model?
A few moments later.
Water molecules are constantly on the move. Heat from the sun causes the water to evaporate and become a vapor. As the water vapor cools, it condenses, forming tiny droplets, which gather to form clouds. As the droplets get larger, they become heavier, causing them to fall to the ground as precipitation, like rain, sleet, or snow. Some of this precipitation joins lakes and streams, called surface water, and some of it soaks into the ground, where it becomes groundwater. The process of water soaking into the ground is called infiltration or recharge. Hope you enjoyed these NIHERST Sci-Facts. Join us again soon.